friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about RockSup reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. That is, should I buy from it or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So friends, RockUpSo is an online store which is dealing with inflatable paddle boards and various accessories like safety leash, backpack, manual pump, valve wrench, etc. And the prices of some products are too good to be true, but the prices of some products are too expensive. You can take a look here. You'll find the category that is Ten-Scott, Desert Green, Aqua, Charcoal, etc. Now guys, talking about the payment info, I'm not able to view the payment information here. No payment information is available on this website, which is not a good sign. And talking about the shipping policy, I'm not again able to view the shipping information here. But yes, when you click this menu option, you'll find a frequently asked questions section. So here you'll find one question related to shipping info, which is 4 to 8 business days. Here is the information you can read for your knowledge. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which means it is secure for payment aspects and other aspects as well. This is a good sign related to this website's legitimacy. But coming to the trust score, the website has a very low trust score on many review websites, which is not a good sign and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now let's take a look at the About Us section. So guys, here you can see there is no About Us section. And of course, there is no business establishment year, business owner name, photos, brand connection info is not available in this web page. So again, the offerings of this website is also not mentioned in a particular section. And the prices of these offerings are really pretty high. So guys, again, I can say that the website may be suspicious due to lack of About Us section. And the site is poorly designed, which looks similar to lots of scam websites. Now let's take a look at the Contact Us information. So this is the Contact Us page. So guys, there is no information available regarding the contact and official address, which is not a good sign. I'm not able to view real warehouses or company's address on this page, and you can view only the contact number which is available on this page. So this again shows that the website may be suspicious. Apart from that, no email address is given on this Contact Us information page. But yes, when you click this accessibility option, here you'll find an email address that is help@rockpaddleboards.com. But guys, you should know that such type of email addresses which is given on this page is of scam website. You should know that these days multiple problematic and scam sites are using email addresses related to the customer service base.com domain or helpdesk@domain.com. So again, this is a red high alert and shows that the website is a scam website. Now talking about the social media presence, you can see the site has social media presence on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. which is a good sign, guys. But the page of this website has few followers, does have low visibility and low online presence. Now, guys, talking about the return policy, I'm not able to view the return policy here. There is no return policy. But guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product if you have. And talking about the customer reviews, according to our study and reviews, we found some negative reviews and about this website and products as well. But you'll find customer review page on this website, so you'll able to read some customer reviews on this website only. Now, guys, talking about the content and quality, it does not seem authentic. Copied images and information is there, which is again a red high alert and shows that the website is a scam website. Guys, I would say such type of scam websites attract customers by displaying their ads on social media with ridiculously low prices that are too good to be true. Once the potential victims place an order, their money will be taken from their accounts, but they'll never receive their orders. So please be aware. In the conclusion, I would say the website appears to be scam. Stay away from such type of scam websites. And guys, if you have ever scammed, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as well. We would love to hear your views on the feedback. Please comment below because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.